Welcome to your ultimate pit stop, Piston Pundit. Today, we're diving headfirst into a corporate clash that's revving up tensions in the automotive world. Volkswagen Group and Porsche SE are sparring over which factories should face the axe amid soaring operational costs. This isn't just boardroom drama, it's a full-throttle look at the future of European manufacturing, labor challenges, and global competitiveness. So, gear up for an in-depth look at the 7 pivotal reasons fueling this high-stakes conflict. Reason number 7. The hefty price tag of German manufacturing. Germany's engineering brilliance has always been its pride, but producing vehicles there comes at a jaw-dropping price. Recent data reveals labor costs in Germany are through the roof, with Porsche employees earning an average of €125,500 annually, about $140,000 USD. That's more than double the wages in manufacturing hubs like China. On top of this, energy costs in Germany rank among the highest globally, creating a financial squeeze for automakers. The cost to produce a car in China? Less than half of that in Germany, thanks to cheaper labor and lighter regulations. Iconic brands like Volkswagen and Porsche now face a tough choice: maintain their heritage at a financial loss or pivot operations abroad. This financial conundrum is leading industry insiders to ask, can German automakers hold on to their global dominance in the face of these mounting pressures? Reason number 6. Strikes and a workforce under siege. Germany's robust labor unions aren't backing down. Recently, over 100,000 Volkswagen employees hit the streets in a monumental strike, protesting potential factory closures and layoffs. Workers argue they've fueled the German automotive powerhouse for decades and deserve job security, not pink slips. While these strikes underscore the strength of collective bargaining in Germany, they come at a hefty cost. Production halts can drain millions from automakers each day and chip away at consumer trust. After all, buyers don't want uncertainty about their vehicle delivery timelines. Corporate leaders are stuck between a rock and a hard place: address spiraling costs to stay afloat, or risk workforce morale and public image. This face-off is shaping up to be a defining battle for Germany's auto industry, one that will have long-term repercussions for both workers and companies. Reason number 5. Europe versus China, an uneven race. The stark disparity between production costs in Europe and China has never been clearer. Manufacturing vehicles in Germany is far costlier than in China, where labor costs are lower, and government incentives sweeten the deal. For automakers, this gap is impossible to ignore. China offers perks like tax breaks and subsidies for EV production, cutting costs by as much as 20%. Meanwhile, European factories grapple with strict environmental regulations and steep energy prices. No wonder brands like Volkswagen and Porsche have started shifting some operations eastward. But the move to China isn't without risks. Dependence on foreign factories can erode a brand's reputation for German precision, and geopolitical uncertainties, like trade wars or tariffs, could spell trouble. Striking a balance between cost efficiency and preserving their legacy is proving to be an uphill battle for these automotive giants. Before we delve deeper, do us a favor and smash that like and subscribe button. This helps us reach more auto enthusiasts just like you. Now let's shift gears and steer towards our next point. Reason number 4. Volkswagen versus Porsche, the internal feud. At the heart of this storm lies a corporate rift between Volkswagen Group and Porsche SE. Porsche SE, holding a substantial stake in Volkswagen, advocates aggressive cost-cutting, including shutting down high-cost German plants. Volkswagen, however, fears such drastic measures could tarnish its image as a beacon of German engineering. This power struggle pits Porsche SE's focus on financial efficiency against VW's commitment to its workforce and legacy. It's a tug-of-war that's as much about identity as it is about profit margins. Volkswagen risks losing its soul by closing German factories, while Porsche SE faces financial risks if it doesn't tighten the purse strings. The outcome of this clash will shape the future of these brands and could redefine what it means to be a German automaker in a globalized world. Reason number 3. Porsche SE's financial pitfall. Porsche SE is confronting a potential $22 billion write-down on its Volkswagen Group investment, a staggering blow that raises alarms about its financial stability. This crisis stems from mounting labor costs, shrinking demand for traditional vehicles, and massive spending on electrification. Compounding these challenges are unresolved disputes with Volkswagen, which have unsettled investors and intensified uncertainty. The write-down reflects deeper systemic issues, highlighting the urgent need for strategic reforms. If Porsche SE fails to address these financial and operational hurdles, it risks losing its leadership in the luxury automotive market. This moment serves as a critical turning point for one of Germany's most iconic automakers, demanding swift and decisive action to secure its future. Reason number 2, the electrification gamble. The race toward electrification is transforming the automotive industry, but the path is anything but smooth. Both Volkswagen and Porsche have invested billions to develop electric vehicles in response to environmental mandates and growing competition from industry heavyweights like Tesla. Despite these efforts, profitability remains elusive. EV batteries, a cornerstone of production, carry sky-high manufacturing costs. Furthermore, establishing the infrastructure to support EVs, such as charging networks, demands substantial investment. Consumer hesitancy adds another hurdle. Concerns about range, charging accessibility, and the upfront cost of EVs are deterring widespread adoption, especially in markets critical to German automakers. For companies like Porsche and Volkswagen, the electrification movement is not only a technological challenge, but a financial balancing act with no guaranteed payoff. Can German automakers carve out a profitable niche in the EV market? Or will these efforts drain their resources further? That's the billion-dollar question facing the industry. Reason number 1, the crossroads of German manufacturing. The German automotive industry faces a pivotal question. Can it balance tradition and global competitiveness? With soaring costs, internal disputes, and external pressures, it stands at a crossroads. Some advocate for globalization, urging automakers to move production abroad to cut costs. Others argue for preserving German craftsmanship, even if it demands higher expenses. Political pressures further complicate the debate, as leaders push to protect local jobs and reduce reliance on foreign markets. The stakes couldn't be higher. Decisions made today will determine the future of German manufacturing for decades. For brands like Volkswagen and Porsche, finding harmony between cost efficiency and brand integrity isn't just important, it's essential. As the world watches, the industry must navigate this challenge to secure its legacy. Conclusion: the road ahead. The simmering feud between Volkswagen Group and Porsche SE is more than a corporate spat. It's a mirror reflecting the seismic shifts within the global automotive industry. As these companies wrestle with financial challenges, labor disputes, and the high-stakes shift to EVs, the world watches intently. Now we turn to you. Should German automakers focus on cutting costs to remain competitive, or should they preserve the legacy of German engineering, even if it comes at a premium? Share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. And don't forget to subscribe to Piston Pundit. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.